Student Success Unveiled, 18 Best Life Hacks for a Thriving College Experience. Life Hack: create a playlist for the morning. Optimize your morning routine with a time-efficient playlist of upbeat songs, ensuring punctuality and boosting productivity for students. Life Hack: incorporating note cards during presentations. Enhance presentation confidence and performance by using note cards to jot down key points, employing different colored pens for easy navigation, and ensuring a smoother delivery. Life Hack: affirm positive thoughts to yourself. Boost your mood and motivation with personalized positive affirmations, crafted in vibrant pens, as a powerful life hack for students facing moments of fatigue or low spirits. Life Hack: divide your study session. A proven method involving 25-minute focused work intervals and 5-minute breaks, ideal for staying concentrated amidst distractions, with opportunities for motivating rewards during breaks. Life Hack: arrange your notes. Maximize your study sessions by incorporating colored pens as a powerful life hack for students, proven to enhance memory retention through effective color coding and underlining techniques. Life Hack: change your workspace. Boost your motivation and creativity by varying your study environment, such as alternating between your bedroom desk, the library, or an internet cafe, accompanied by a soothing playlist with headphones to enhance focus. Life Hack: utilize search engines. Optimize your research efficiency with Google Scholar, a free search engine offering extensive resources surpassing those of many colleges, serving as a valuable student life hack. Life Hack: jot down your goals, boost productivity and achieve results by writing down both short-term and long-term goals, keeping them visible with motivational elements on your bathroom mirror, notebooks, or corkboard. Life Hack: make a to-do list. Optimize your productivity with a simple but effective student life hack. Create a prioritized to-do list, ensuring you tackle the most crucial tasks first. Life Hack: key to success is organization. Divide classes into separate sections with distinct notepads, folders, and binders, ensuring quick access to assignments and notes during study sessions. Life Hack: employ a calendar, whether in physical or digital form, to prevent forgetting important dates, deadlines, and class timings, a valuable habit applicable beyond college. Life Hack: reduce expenses on travel. Cut down on travel expenses as a student by adopting cost-saving strategies, such as booking accommodations and tickets in advance for better deals. Life Hack: acquire rail cards and utilize public transportation. Save money as a student by opting for public transport and obtaining a rail card or pass suited to your city, eliminating the need for daily ticket purchases. Life Hack: purchase used items. Embrace buying second-hand goods like books and clothes, a thrifty student life hack that not only saves money but also reduces environmental waste. Life Hack: refrain from dining out, as the cost of one restaurant meal can cover ingredients for 2 homemade meals, a simple and health-conscious student life hack. Life Hack: purchase groceries in the evening. Shop in the evening after 6 o'clock when many supermarkets reduce prices on items they need to sell by the end of the day, but remember to have a list. Life Hack: purchase items in bulk. Save money on groceries and transportation by adopting the student life hack. Purchase non-perishable items in bulk to minimize frequent trips to the store. Life Hack: the microwave for quick solutions. Refrigerate leftovers and occasionally use the microwave for reheating, acknowledging the debate on microwave health effects. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.